Hello everyone. For those of you taking basic statistics and you want to make a column chart, something like this. And so in this video, I'm going to show you how to make a column chart in Google Sheets. So first, to get to Google Sheets, go ahead and open a Google search right here, and then click the Google Apps icon here. And then scroll down and then click on Google Sheets. And then and then just click on the blank sheet right here. And then next, let's input the data. So here I have a set of data. This is the trade deficit between the United States and China. And the data came from the United States Census Bureau. And so here, the first column here, we have the years 21 through 24. And then the second column here, these are the exports. This is the amount of exports from the United States to China. And then this is U.S. imports, or the amount of imports from China to the United States. And then the last column here, this is the deficit, or the difference. And then I want to also caution that for the year 2024, the data that we have here, this is only for the first 9 months of the year 2024. And so here in the year 2021, the deficit is more than $352 billion. And then for this year, the deficit so far, in the first 9 months, is more than $217 billion. And so now what I want to do is make a column chart for this. So what you want to do is go ahead and highlight all of that. And then you go up here and click the chart icon here. So click on it. And then you get a preliminary chart like this. And then now let's say I want to modify the title here. So you just clicked on it. And then you would go to the right side. And then right here, and then you would modify the chart title however you want. And then you can change the font size. And so let's say I want to change it to 24. And then I want to center it. And then I want to make it text color black. And then you would end up with something like this. And then the years down here, suppose it's too small and I want to make it, the font size here, I want to make it large. So click on it. And then on the right side, you get this panel. You get this panel right here. And then it's called horizontal axis. And so let's say I want to change it to 30. So you can see that the font size here changed to 30. And then you can, the text color, then you make it whatever you want. Okay. So that's how we change the horizontal axis. And now let's say I want to label the bars here. So click on it. And then go to the move to the right side. And then down here you want data labels. So click on it. And now the data is labeled. And I want to do the same thing. So this is for the imports, and then I want to do the same thing for the exports. So you can click on it. And then we want to choose the US exports, and then we want to turn on the data labels, and then now you have the labels for the exports. And then likewise, you could also do it with the deficit or the difference. So you just click on difference and then scroll down here and then click on data labels. And now you have your data labels. And then, so this is what it would look like. And then down here also, you could also change the font size here also. So let's make it 30. So and so that's what the column chart would look like in Google Sheets. And so this is how you would make a column chart in Google Sheets.